Can you see incognito history on phone? Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you guys if it's possible to see your incognito history on your mobile phone. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is find a list of Chrome URLs. So just open up your Google Chrome and then go to the search bar. Here you're just going to have to type in Chrome, then type in colon, double slash. Now just type in chrome-urls. So once you have done that, you'll be taken to a page where there are a bunch of Chrome URLs. So just go ahead and tap on it, and you'll be able to see all of these hidden Chrome URLs. Now from here, just scroll down until you find something called Chrome History. Tap on it. Now, once you tap on this history option, you will only be able to get to your Chrome history. So if you head over to Chrome URLs, you'll find your history, or you could just directly type in here Chrome slash and then history. Now, once you do that, hit enter and you'll be directly taken over to your history. But this is not your incognito history because incognito mode instantly deletes anything that you search, so there won't be any history saved on your incognito mode. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.